Hi, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, I'm going to make the necessary adjustments to the door. I'm also going to complete the finishing touches to the panels and to the mainframe. The first thing we're going to do is adjust the rollers. Remember to take the weight off the panel and use your number 3 screwdriver to adjust the roller. Inside the bag of parts, you're going to locate your adjustment roller plugs. You're going to insert these by pushing them in. Now I'm going to install the come-alongs. The come-alongs are going to prevent the race handle from hitting interlocks. Inside of your bag of parts, you're going to locate the 4 screws for the come-alongs. Here's your come-along. You're going to have to separate the cover from the come-along and mark it where it needs to be at the top of the panel to prevent the handle from hitting the interlock. Now we're going to mimic the same process on the other panel. The keeper in the jamb is adjustable. You can adjust it by loosening these 4 screws, sliding the keeper up and down, and then retightening the 4 screws. To adjust your dual mortise lock, first press in the anti-slam pin, flip your latch. Using either this flathead screw for the top latch or this flathead screw for the bottom latch, you can now extend or bring in that latch. Counterclockwise will bring the latch in, clockwise will extend the latch. Inside the bag of parts, you will locate your high-piled dust plugs. The dust plugs will fill in any gaps between the panel interlock and the mainframe. Peel the backing off the high-piled dust plug and insert your high-piled dust plug. Remember, the high-piled dust plugs will be used at the bottom of your panel interlocks. Peel the backing off the high-piled dust plugs and stick them to your track. So to recap, in this video, I made the necessary adjustments to the door. I've also completed all the finishing touches.